The Olympic Games are the foremost international sporting event featuring summer and winter competitions in which thousands of athletes from around the world participate. The Games are held every 2 years, with the summer and winter games alternating. Their creation was inspired by the ancient Olympic Games, which were held in Olympia, Greece, from the 8th century BC to the 4th century AD. French Baron Pierre de Coubertin founded the International Olympic Committee in 1894. The IOC is the governing body of the Olympic movement, with the Olympic Charter defining its structure and authority. The evolution of the Olympic movement has resulted in several changes and adjustments. The IOC has had to adapt to a variety of societal, economic, political, and technological advancements. As a result, the Olympics has shifted away from pure amateurism to allowing participation of professional athletes. As the decision-making body, the IOC is responsible for choosing the host city for each Games and organizes and funds the Games according to the Olympic Charter. The IOC also determines the Olympic program, consisting of the sports to be contested at the Games. There are several Olympic rituals and symbols such as the Olympic flag, anthem, and torch, as well as the opening and closing ceremonies. The third, second, and first place finishers in each event receive Olympic medals, bronze, silver, and gold.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Join us on Patreon, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and our website at markvnet.com.